In the sun-drenched orchards of Florida, the delicate harvest of mangosteen begins. Skilled hands carefully select and harvest the finest mangosteens, ensuring peak freshness. Workers meticulously gather the vibrant mangosteens, filling crates with nature's bounty. Our journey begins, transporting the freshest mangosteen from farm to factory with precision. Advanced robotics initiate the careful unloading process, ensuring product integrity. The journey continues as crates are meticulously placed onto the primary conveyor network. The vast receiving bay operates with seamless, synchronized automation. The automated journey from receiving bay to processing facility is now complete. The raw mangosteens enter the immense vortex washer for an intensive cleanse. Within these powerful currents, every mangosteen is meticulously purified, preparing it for the next stage. Advanced engineering ensures every surface is immaculately cleaned. The fruits transition between washing chambers, ensuring comprehensive purification. Emerging from the final rinse, mangosteens are spotlessly clean and ready. The fruits now move on, pristine and ready for the next rigorous quality inspection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Advanced optical sorters meticulously examine each mangosteen at astonishing speeds. Precision technology ensures only the finest mangosteens proceed to the next stage. Thousands of pristine mangosteens journey through this automated marvel every minute. Advanced optics scrutinize each mangosteen, ensuring only perfection proceeds. A swift, precise burst of air removes the flawed fruit, maintaining impeccable quality standards. Flawless mangosteens continue their journey, while rejected fruits are efficiently removed. Every perfect fruit is a testament to unwavering technological precision. Precision robotics now prepare each mangosteen for its next critical step. High-precision water jets delicately score the fruit's thick pericarp. Advanced lasers ensure a perfect, consistent cut every single time. This intricate scoring prepares each fruit for effortless peeling. Scored mangosteen fruits smoothly enter the advanced pericarp separation machine, initiating precision processing. With advanced precision, the machine's grips pull the mangosteen's pericarp apart, revealing its precious interior. Pristine white arrows, perfectly separated, gently land on a fresh conveyor, continuing their journey. Precision engineering ensures each mangosteen arrow is flawlessly separated, ready for pure enjoyment. From above, the colossal machine orchestrates a seamless dance of automation, transforming mangosteen A skilled technician oversees the advanced machinery, ensuring every step meets the highest standards. Gentle vibrations ensure each delicate mangosteen arrow is perfectly separated, preserving its pristine quality. Advanced machinery meticulously isolates each succulent segment, preventing any damage. The precision of these systems guarantees the integrity of every individual arrow. With expert care, the separated arrows are prepared for the next stage of production. Empty cans embark on their journey, fed into the colossal rotary canning machine. Inside the sterilization unit, cans are intensely cleaned, ensuring pristine conditions. Colossal way hoppers loom above, poised to precisely fill each can with mangosteen arrows. Thousands of cans glide beneath an automated ballet of arrow dispensing. Post-arrow filling, cans transition seamlessly to receive the perfect syrup topping. Liquid gold descends, topping each can with preserving syrup. With incredible speed, the spinning turret seals thousands of cans, preserving freshness. The colossal rotary canning machine, a marvel of automation, completes its cycle. Thousands of sealed cans flow onward, testament to modern manufacturing precision. From raw fruit to sealed perfection, automation ensures consistency. Every can, a testament to speed, hygiene, and unparalleled precision. Precision engineering guides the succulent mangosteen arrows into the heart of the production line. The colossal auger efficiently transports the prepared fruit, spanning multiple levels of the advanced factory. From auger to blending tank, a seamless transfer ensures the quality of every mangosteen smoothie. Advanced machinery ensures hygienic and efficient processing, minimizing human contact. This meticulously engineered system guarantees a consistent, high-quality product every time. The pristine mangosteen puree begins its journey, a velvety river of flavor. Gigantic machines ensure perfection, transforming the puree with precision. Advanced systems meticulously monitor every crucial stage of homogenization. High-pressure homogenization guarantees a flawlessly smooth, consistent texture. The transformed puree emerges, now silky and ready for the next phase. every droplet refined, promising an unparalleled smoothness and taste. Rigorous quality checks confirm the uniform excellence of the puree. Inside, a veil of steam ensures product safety, preserving the natural flavor and quality. Emerging from the heat, the products are now safely preserved, ready for the next stage. This state-of-the-art pasteurization zone is a testament to modern food safety and efficiency. Advanced conveyors seamlessly transport thousands of products into the heart of the pasteurization process. Glistening and pristine, the freshly pasteurized cans emerge, ready for final inspection and packaging. Every detail is monitored by advanced sensors, ensuring consistency and superior quality. Precision robotics now handle the finished products, ensuring flawless packaging. Advanced lasers engrave essential batch information onto each product with microscopic precision. Robotic arms meticulously pack products into cases, readying them for shipment with flawless execution. Cases are systematically stacked onto pallets, forming stable, shippable units with unwavering consistency. Automated systems then shrink-wrap pallets, securing them for transit with an impenetrable layer of protection. Finished pallets seamlessly navigate the vast, intelligent warehouse, guided by advanced autonomous vehicles.